My name's Doug, this is Doug's Underbody Classic. So today I'm at North Weald Car Meet, which I'd highly recommend you come to. It's organised by Steve of Steve's Breakfast Clubs. So I came here quite early this morning in the Mexico. Next to me, Martin parked his absolutely beautiful Rover 416, absolutely amazing car. So I was talking to Martin about his car as soon as he arrived, and I'm just about to leave, and luckily I've caught Martin before he leaves. So Martin's just going to give us a rundown on maybe how long he's had the car, what he's done to it, if it's been reliable. It looks like an absolutely beautiful machine. So Martin, if you could tell us something about the car, your journey with the car so far.
Yes, well, I bought it back in 2022. When I bought it, it had got 23,000 miles on it. It's now on 32,000 miles.
Okay, a few miles on it.
Yeah, it's got quite a few miles on it now.
Yeah.
In terms of reliability, had no issues whatsoever.
Good.
Like a new battery recently. Other than that, it's never had any breakdowns. Recently had all new brakes done all the way round. And fresh MOT that was done a couple of months ago.
Okay, nice.
So it's and interior's in amazing condition as well. It's never been messed with. Still got the original stereo.
Okay. Originality.
Yeah,
that's good.
Originality is best for these.
Yeah, exactly that. So is it a daily driver?
Yes, I use it every day.
Okay, that's
or
really
almost every day.
Yeah.
Amazingly good on petrol. I can fill it to half a tank. That costs about 20 quid from almost empty to half a tank. And it will happily not use barely any of that. I can have half a tank for about a week, maybe two,
right. Okay.
depending on where I'm going.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, it's been really good. It doesn't want no demand for anything really. It's been really good.
No, amazing. And what is the best news about this car right now?
It is currently for sale.
There you go. Amazing. Good work. That's good. That's good. What are you intending to get?
I am looking for something from the 60s. Is my next.
Nice.
Is my next target.
Okay.
Looking towards something from, if anyone knows them, the A60 Farinas, so Morris, Oxford, Austin, Cambridge,
nice. Yeah.
Wolsey 1660, one of the three.
Okay.
So I'm always keeping an eye out, see if one of those comes up.
Yeah, nice. Oh, that's really, really good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Right, so I'm going to now do a walk around of the car. I'm going to finish on, because Martin has got his for sale sign on the front. Do you mind if I video that? And put it on
that's
there?
fine.
Is that
Yeah,
okay?
no problem,
So
yeah.
I'm going to finish on that. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Keep safe, happy motoring. I'm going to do a walk around of the car, and I'm going to finish on the contact details to Martin for this really nice looking Rover 416. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.